Good morning, super readers. So today we are going to learn two new sounds, and that are sound and R sound. So first let's talk about R sound. When A and R are together, the sound that we make is R. Now let's read some word with R sound. Sh, R, k, shark, k, R, car, shark, car, t, R, tar, st, R, star, b, r, barn, r, arm, y, r, d, yard, d, r, t, s, darts, guitar, j, r, jar. Now let's read some more words to practice more R sound. Car, jar, bar, art, far, star, farm, barn, mark, park, part, start, sharp, and harm. Our second sound for today is sound. When U and R are together, we make sound. For example, as in ch, ch, church, b, burn, church, and burn. S, f, surf, t, turn, surf, turn. Curly, hurt. Burger, nurse, burger, nurse. Let's read some more sound word. Burn, church, curl, fur, hurt, nurse, purse, surf, turn, and earn. Now it's the activity time. Let's do some activity. Here in front of you, I have kept the R sound word as well as sound word. So first let's read what these words are. I have the first card of car, gird, farm, burn, stars, surf, bar, here's chocolate bar, curls. Now what I'll do is that I will flip the card upside down and you were going to help me to match the same card with sound or the R sound. Let's pick up the first card. Which one? What will it be? Oh, it's burn. Now let's see, can I find another? Oh no, it's farm. So it's not the same match. Let's put them again. Let's do another one. Car. Now I have to pick up another one with the again. It's not curls. Let me think. Where can I find the same? Surf. Bar. Oh, my bad. I cannot remember where I have put the sound. No, it's not again. It's star and it's surf. I guess. Yes, finally I got it right. Surf and curd, two words. I got the 1 point now. Okay, this is farm. And this is burn. Let's put them down again. Let's try another one. It's a car. Now let's see. Farm. Yes, again, two R words. I've got 2 points now. Let's see which one is next. Burn, and this one is bingo. This is the right one. Now only one pair is left. Let's see what we have here. Stars and bar, R sound cards. I hope that you have enjoyed today's video. Do play this memory game with your parents or your siblings. Make this learning of sounds fun for you guys. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing. Allah Hafiz.